Okay, addition and subtraction of fractions in real-world problems. This is 5NF2. So here's our real-world problem over here. A soccer player runs 3 2/7 miles a day. A second player on the same team runs 4 8/9 miles a day. How much more does the second player run? Well, that kind of verbiage right there, how much more, right? That tells us that this is going to be a subtraction problem. So we're going to take 4 8/9, and from that we're going to subtract 3 2/7 to see how much more player A, B runs than player A. Okay. So we're always going to set this up with our the fraction or the number that's greater, because we haven't been doing any sort of subtraction with that gives us anything less than 0. So let's write this out correctly. So we have 4 8/9. And we're subtracting from that 3 2/7. Okay, right off the bat, we can do 4 minus 3, and that gives us 1. And now we have to look at 8/9. I'm going to take away from that 2/7. Alright, so we need to find least common multiple. We have 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Now if we look at 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. So I see that 63 and 63, so we know that 63 is the lowest common multiple. And so we need to change these 9ths into something 63rds, and we're going to subtract that with something 63rds as well. Right. So from 9 to get 63, we have to multiply that by 7. 9 times 7 is 63, so do the same thing to 8. 8 times 7 is 56. When we have 2, 7, 63, we have to multiply that by 6. Do the same thing to 2 times 6, that gives us 12. Then we have 56 minus 12. 56 minus 12. Okay. So 56 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So our answer is 1. Right? We can't forget about this. 1 and 44. 63rd more miles a day. And again, looking at 44, I believe it only has 22 and 2 as its factors, whereas 63 is not even, and 22 is not. So that is simplified 1 and 44 63rds.